Hey you guys, hello, it's Mary. I'm working on some frangipane today. Frangipane. It's a French, I'm gonna say almost a dessert component or a dessert type topping. And of course I'm infusing it today with 2 tablespoons of cannabis butter, hence the light green. But you guys, this is super delicious and it's really fancy. All you do is, well, they say 8 tablespoons of butter. So this is 6 regular butter and 2 infused butter, half a cup of sugar, teaspoon of salt. Okay, you get that all smooth and delicious looking. And then you add 1 room temperature egg, okay, just like that. And that kind of holds it together. So when it's living on your bread or your cake or whatever, it's a nice thick kind of a groovy thing. So egg, almond flour, real fine almond flour. But the key to this, the thing that makes it stick to the toast or the cake, is regular flour, 1 tablespoon. Okay? So mix and mix and mix. We got to get that egg mixed in there. Okay? But when this is all homogenized and all together, what we're going to have is a beautiful, thick, delicious, I hate to call it a dessert topping because it's not really, but it's more like, well, you know how the kids, you have your toast in the morning. You put a little layer of this on the toast after it comes out of the oven, or excuse me, after the toaster, and then pop it back in the oven for a little while. This bakes up into a beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous topping. And well, if I wasn't making a video, I would probably eat some of this, but it does have a raw egg, so you probably don't want to be doing that. But look, you guys, see how thick and beautiful? Oh, I wish you could smell it. It smells so almondy. Now remember though, when you're using almond extract, don't use too much. This is only half a teaspoon. If you get more than that, usually you're going to get a chemical, kind of a weird fake almond taste. So when you're making your frangipane, I just like saying it, make sure and smell it, right? Oh God, you guys, this smells so freaking good. Okay, I'm going to go put this on toast. Woo! Talk to you later. Bye. Oh, by the way, you guys, this recipe will be on my website, maryjwhite.com. It'll be on the blog on the 1st. Okay, mwah. Love you guys. Bye.